Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 5. But before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 5. This time I'll be reviewing the Speck Presidio Perfect Clear Case for the Z Fold 5. I have used Speck for many different phones now, and if you haven't tried that case, you should always try one of them. They have some of the best fitting cases, but also the grip on these cases are really good, especially I know for my S23 Ultra, the S22 Ultra, iPhone cases usually have a lot of grip. If you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. I need to give them a shout out for actually sending this case to me for a review. Like we normally do in my reviews, we'll make sure everything fits well. How does everything line up? Does it have bulk? Do you get that camera protection you look for, or even the lip action in the front? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. Nice packaging from them. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so. Hopefully y'all can read that. It says 13 foot drop protection, or 13 feet drop protection. But nice presentation from them. You know, plain and simple, but looks great. So here is the case itself. Let's see, it has some tape to hold it together. So they have it as a one-piece case with these little things in between there. I don't see adhesive strips, so let's see how this thing works and fits. So right off the bat, you can feel that it fits in there snug. Now it does show off the beauty, but it will attract fingerprints. But it shows off the beauty of your phone. You do get camera protection there, as you can tell. You also get a lot of lip action to protect your beautiful front display. No hinge protection. When you open it up, yes, you get, you know, your covered display fine. One thing else people have been telling me, let's check. You can get to the edge panel, no problem swiping left or right, or even, you know, up or down. So the case is easy to get to. Screen is really bright. The Vine rockers and the power button is open, and they're easy to press. Not bad. What they could have done, which I say a lot, they could have put a little indentation here to give you a little bit better room to get to the power button. That would have probably been a little bit better. Everything lines up at the bottom. Everything lines up at the top. As you can tell, look at the size. It does not add bulk to your phone at all. I mean, it's not a bulky case. Shows off the beauty. Had the little Speck logo there. Now this does move around a little bit. You know, maybe a adhesive strip there. But when you open and close it, you can't really feel it too much. You get some lip protection around it, not much though, when you open it. Let's see how it fits though. Yeah, see, because it's a one-piece case, it's hard to get off. And it takes some work to get the corners off too. So the case, if you drop it, it's not just going to go flying anywhere and flying off, which is very important. Now, can you wireless charge? I don't think you'll have a problem. And you can wireless charge without any issues. So let's go over it real quick. You get the lip action around the front for your main your outer display there. You get the camera protection you look for. No hinge protection. Everything lines up. It fits really well. I don't like this piece, just it's almost like a banjo or something. I don't like that though. But no hinge protection. Overall fit is good. It doesn't add bulk. You can wireless charge with it. So it has a lot of features going for it. If you want to show off the beauty, then pick up this case. Like I said, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace, y'all. Y'all have a great day. It also has some brand in there, too. But peace, I'm out. Y'all have a great day.